Today we're going to do a cabin air filter replacement on a 2016 model MAZDA CX3. The cabin air filter is located behind the glove box, and to remove the glove box just squeeze in on either side and let the glove box come down. Your old cabin air filter is located behind this cover, so just squeeze the two tabs in, top and bottom, and gently slide your old cabin air filter out. Careful not to allow any of the leaves to fall into the fan below. These are just the cheap thin paper filters that were installed originally. This is our new cabin air filter with its 3 layers of filter material. Cabin filter just slides in with a reticulate base on the bottom, and just gently slide it all the way in and close your glove box, and the job's done.